Every time you use this wideband, it's always a good idea to calibrate it. There is a little thumb screw on the back that allows you to adjust it for sensor wear over time. And when it comes on, it does an initial power-up self-test, gets the heater element working, and then it tests to see if it is reading free air. The sensor's not plugged into the car right now, so it's just kind of dangling at work and measure oxygen. After this countdown's done, it's going to tell us, hey, yeah, the calibration's right in the middle. And if you wanted to adjust it or recalibrate it, you would turn the screw in the back, and too far one way, too far the other way. So we're going to put the screw right in the middle, and that gives us the most current calibration to this. So now that that's calibrated, we can put the sensor in the exhaust stream, and we can start measuring air fuel data. Narrowband sensor that we are going to be removing is right down there. Hopefully you can see it. I love the underhood lighting, that makes it really convenient. So we're going to run our wideband straight down here. Yep. Okay, so we can see the stock narrowband sensor right here upstream. And I already cracked this loose a little earlier, so it shouldn't be too terribly bad to get out. If you ever had to get in here to a tight space and mess with stuff, always easier to do on a cool car. Don't burn the crap out of your hands. And Kelsey's gonna yell at me because I don't have my little arm glove things on. Sorry, on going ham today. Give it a nice little backwards twist, that way the wire straightens out after you screw it in. Now the difference between the narrowband sensor and the wideband sensor, the narrowband only tells us if we're lean or rich, doesn't tell us how far lean or rich. The wideband will tell us exactly what our air-fuel ratio is, so we can get it exactly where we want. So that's why it's important to have in the exhaust stream closer to the motor you can get, the better. And we don't have to go super tight on this. These aren't load bearing, just snug. So that's all you got to do. The other sensor we're going to turn off in software while we tune, so it can just sit there. We want to make sure we get that unhooked before we do anything on the road, clearly. Now we'll be able to measure a fuel ratio. Easy as that.